Hi Dresser Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw heart flowers for Mom. So let's get started. To draw these sweet flowers for Mom, let's start by drawing the base. So today, instead of using a black Sharpie, I'm just going to try to use color Sharpie so that we don't have black lines. So hopefully it's going to work. So here we go. We're going to basically just draw a rectangle right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just go straight across with a line about this wide, and then I'm going to come down to create my rectangle. There. So then now we have that. I'm going to come right here and just draw a soft curve to come down for our base on both sides. And then go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. So we have this nice pretty vase, pot for our flowers. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and switch to green so that we can draw the leaves. So I'm going to start in the center area. It really doesn't matter. You just want to fill the bottom, but I think it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to start about right here and just go up. And I'm just creating these beautiful leaves that are just going to stick out of here. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring this in, and then maybe one more that just kind of comes out down a little bit and comes right back in there. And then on this side we're going to go the other way, so right about here, same thing, just go up, come down, and then one more, just bring it out and all the way back to your base there. Okay, and then from there, let's switch back to red. So from there, I'm going to start my hearts. So I want my heart just kind of in the center area. So I'm going to aim to draw 3. So I'm going to come up nice and high for the first one and kind of slant it a little bit. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw one heart. And it's all whimsical, so this one's very tall. It's all up to you. There's no wrong way to draw these hearts. So maybe one here, maybe another one about right here. And a little bit shorter. And then one maybe here, and just tuck a smaller one here, going the other way in this area. There. Okay, so now I have my 3 hearts. Then I'm going to come back to my green, and right on the bottom of each heart, I'm just going to draw this little U. And then bring down a stem and just tuck it in. So same thing on each one. Little U, and just tuck it in wherever it leads to. So one here and in here. There. Okay, and so then that is pretty much it. Oh, except put some smaller leaves here, if you like. On these right there, and then let's write on the bottom here, I love you, Mom. So I'm going to start about right here. And then love you. Okay, so about right here. I'll just use a heart for love because we don't have that much space. Love you. Now we have to fit Mom. So about right here. So I knew that I was running out of space, so that's why my O is very thin and my other M is thin. But it all works, right? So if you run out of space, just make it thinner, and if you have too much space, just make it thicker. Wider, I mean. There. So I wrote, I love you, Mom. And then now I'm just going to come back in here and color everything really quickly, and perhaps just come in here with this darker green, because I feel like this light green is a little too light. So I'm just going to go ahead and color it in. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out, and I helped you draw and color this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.